Teach Your Child Yoruba, a common èdè Yoruba tutorial 2. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us on Teach Your Child Yoruba Tutorial 2. Thank you for your feedback on the last tutorial, all of which have been considered in this tutorial. Just to let you know that TYCL tutorial is all about translating dialogue, repetition and consistency, and that is why we've chosen sections of your day to translate. This tutorial will help you parents increase your Yoruba vocabulary and ultimately make Yoruba the sole language at home. This is the only way your child can become fluent in Yoruba. I would advise that you be patient with yourself and your child. Keywords can be recited during night time to enhance learning. In today's tutorial, we will be looking at getting ready for school, getting dressed and breakfast. This tutorial is broken into 5 categories: a recap on last session, fun facts, dialogue example, keywords and culture. Recap on keywords. Did you sleep well? Ṣé o sùn dáadáa? Sleep, sùn. Make your bed. Tẹ Ibusun rẹ. Make, tẹ. It's bath time. Ó yá ká lọ wẹ̀. Bath, wẹ̀. Scrub your hands. Gbó ọwọ́ rẹ. Scrub, gbó. Rinse the soap off your body. Ṣan ọṣẹ kúrò lára rẹ. Rinse, ṣan. Brush the top of your mouth. Fọ òkè ẹnu rẹ. Brush, fọ. Get the toothpaste. Mú ọṣẹ ìfọyín. These are additional verbs that you might want to go through with your child. Why don't you get up? Ó yá gbéra nílẹ̀ kó dìde. Get up, gbéra nílẹ̀. Let's get ready. Ó yá ká lọ túnra ṣe. Ready, túnra ṣe. Take off your pajamas. Bọ́ aṣọ alẹ́ rẹ. Take off, bọ́. Fold it on your bed. Ká sí orí ibùsùn rẹ. Fold, ká. Get into the bathroom shower. Bọ́ sínú balùwẹ̀. Get into, bọ́ sínú. This is a recap on the words that we went through last week. Body, ara. Bed, Ibusun. Room, Yara. Bath, Ibalùwẹ̀. Sponge, kànrìnkàn. Soap, ọṣẹ. Toothbrush, ìfọyín. Again, these are additional words that you might want to go through with your child. Pyjamas, aṣọ alẹ́. Laundry basket, àpẹẹrẹ aṣọ ìdọ̀tí. Aṣọ, clothes. Armpit, abíyá. Chest, àyà. Belly, ikùn. Legs, ẹsẹ̀. Face, ojú. Neck, ọrùn. Fun fact for today. It is said that Yorubas are among the most urbanized people in Africa. As a matter of fact, before the British colony, most Yorubas already lived in well-structured centers organized around powerful residents of the Oba. Interesting. The dialogue for today. Now let's cream your body and get dressed ready for school. Ó yá jẹ́ ká pa ara wa ká dẹ̀ múra fún ilé ẹ̀kọ́. Take some cream on your palm. Rub both palms together. Fi ìpara díẹ̀ sí ìsàlẹ̀ ọwọ́ rẹ kó dẹ̀ ra ọwọ́ rẹ pọ̀. And cream it on your hands, your shoulder, your armpit, your neck, and round your neck. Ó yá fi pa ọwọ́ rẹ, fi pa èjìká rẹ, fi pa abíyá rẹ, pa ọrùn àti ìyíká ọrùn rẹ. Ask mommy to cream your back. Bẹ̀ ìyá rẹ kó bẹ̀ ẹ́ pa ẹ̀yìn rẹ. Take some more cream on your palm. Rub both palms together. Bu ìpara díẹ̀ sí ìsàlẹ̀ ọwọ́ rẹ kó dẹ̀ ra ọwọ́ rẹ pọ̀. Go ahead and cream your belly, your privates, and your bum bum. Ó yá fi pa ikùn rẹ àti ìdí rẹ. Finally, take some more cream on your palm. Rub both palms together. Paríparí ẹ̀, ó yá bu ìpara díẹ̀ sí ìsàlẹ̀ ọwọ́ rẹ kó dẹ̀ ra ọwọ́ rẹ pọ̀. And cream both your thighs, knees, legs, feet, and ó yá pa itan rẹ, pa oríkùn rẹ, pa ẹsẹ̀ àti ìyíká ẹsẹ̀ rẹ. Good job. Kú iṣẹ́. Now that you're done creaming your body, ní báyìí tí o ti pa ara rẹ tán, please wear your underwear. Jọ̀wọ́ wọ àwọ̀ ìsàlẹ̀ rẹ. And when you're done with it, please wear your school uniform. Tí o bá dẹ̀ ti ṣetán, jọ̀wọ́ wọ aṣọ ilé-ìwé rẹ. Breakfast. It's time to eat breakfast. Àsìkò oúnjẹ àárọ̀ ti dé. Please set the table by putting a table mat on the table. Ó yá tẹ́ tábìlì fún oúnjẹ àárọ̀. Fi ẹní oúnjẹ sí orí tábìlì. Please get a bowl and a spoon. Jọ̀wọ́ mú abọ́ àti ṣíbí. And get the milk from the... Kó dẹ̀ mú wàrà láti inú amómitútù. And get the cereal from the cupboard. Kó dẹ̀ mú cereal láti àpótí oúnjẹ. Put the cereal in the bowl and pour some milk in. Fi cereal sínú abọ́, kó dẹ̀ dá wàrà sínú ẹ̀. You can begin to eat. Ó lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń jẹun. Please eat carefully so you do not spill some on your uniform. Jọ̀wọ́ rọra jẹun kí oúnjẹ má dà sí aṣọ ilé-ìwé rẹ. Good job. Kú iṣẹ́. Keyword 7 verbs. Now let's cream our body. Ó yá jẹ́ ká pa ara wa. Cream, pa. Get dressed ready for school. Ká dẹ̀ múra fún ilé ẹ̀kọ́. Get dressed. Ká dẹ̀ múra. Take some cream on your palm. Bu ìpara díẹ̀ sórí ìtàlẹ́wọ́ ọwọ́ rẹ. Take. Bu. Rub both palms together. Kó dẹ̀ ra ọwọ́ rẹ pọ̀. Rub. Ra. Please wear your underwear. Jọ̀wọ́ wọ àwọ̀ ìtàlẹ́ rẹ. Wear. Wọ̀. Put the cereal in the bowl. Fi cereal sínú abọ́. Put. Fi. Pour some milk in it. Dá wàrà sí inú ẹ̀. Pour. Keyword 7 items. Cream, ìpara. Palm, atele ọwọ́. Shoulder, èjìká. Armpit, abíyá. Bum, ìdí. Thighs, itan. Food, oúnjẹ. Culture. Yorubas are very respectful, especially to grown-ups. As a sign of respect, boys bow and girls curtsy to grown-ups. So when next you see a grown-up, if you're a boy, why don't you bow? And if you're a girl, why don't you curtsy to the grown-up? Thank you for joining us today. Please post your feedback, questions, and spread the word. See you next week. Thank you for